Hey, welcome USD 3D3 remote learning students and families. We are so excited to welcome you to the 2021 school year. My name is Dr. Lucas Shivers. I get to serve as your lead administrator and principal, and I'm so excited to work with an amazing team of educators who are taking part in this adventure and journey. We have a hashtag that we'd love for you to use as you start posting and sharing about all of the great things that are happening. And we wanted to share the contents of this email in a video. There's an email that has come out to you as a family member and student that covers a lot of details, getting us ready for tomorrow, the first day of school, which will be Wednesday, August the 26th. So this is part of our YouTube channel that will have some public and some private links. We want you to have access to this, so save this as a bookmark channel. Your contact information was provided in an email directly from your classroom teacher. It will include the Zoom link that will be primarily used for instructional episodes. We're so excited to offer direct instruction via Zoom as a tool for short bursts of instruction in each of our content areas. So we want to have several ways for you to get access to that classroom channel. So Zoom links will be in a bit.ly form, a shortened form, as well as a QR code reader. There's an instructional video that's linked elsewhere on the channel that will show you how to use that. We also want to provide you with your teacher contact information. So you have a phone number, a Google Voice number, or a Dojo contact that will allow you access to your teacher in addition to their email. It's really important that in addition to Canvas, in addition to Zoom, you see another tool called Canvas. Canvas will be our learning management system or learner platform. This will be what students will log into almost on a daily basis to start showing their work. To get there, you click on the USD 3D3 website. At the top, there's a button that says Students, and then if you scroll down, there's a link to Canvas. This will take you to a single sign-on, and you'll see a number of other tools that are also there. In order to gain access to all of these learning tools, if you're in kindergarten and first grade, your username is your lunch number. This is a 5-digit number that will follow you throughout your journey in the district. And then your password is a capital MAN, a dash symbol, and then your lunch number again. Then if you're in second through sixth grade, you'll have a different structure to get in. You'll have the first 7 letters of your first name. If your name is less than that, it's just your full name. And then the first 7 letters of your last name, and then the 2 digits of your graduation year. So for example, my son is a 3rd grader. He graduates in the year 2030, so his would be James Shivers 30 at USD 383. And then the password is capital MAN dash the lunch number again. We wanted you to have access, as you've seen that in a lot of different ways, to get into our tools. If you have any questions about the iPad, we have some instructional technologists team that are providing support at this phone number. The first 3 days of our learning together follow a slightly different schedule than what we have for the rest of our school year. We're not going to share a lot of details on that, but please know that on Wednesday you'll have Zoom recording with music as your special, and then art as your special on Thursday. And then Friday will be the days that are normally Wednesdays. You'll check in on a morning meeting, and then you'll have the rest of the day to learn on your own. We will have a textbook distribution that I'll share about in a second. Normally, starting on the 31st, most of our students will have PE on Mondays, STEM on Tuesdays, a check-in with the morning meeting on Wednesdays, then music on Thursdays, and the art will be recorded, and they can watch and do that at any time, but Fridays is our designated time. You also have some personalized time to follow up on other projects for specials that are sometimes not live, and so you'll see that in your schedule that will be provided in the email as well. We have put together a student success guide. The link is provided here, and we'll go over all the details of that in an orientation that I'll share about in a second. A big part of that are the weekly log sheets that you've heard us talk about. We do need 100% of our student log sheets returned every week, and we need to have your help in designating 6.5 or 390 minutes of learning. Some of that will be on Zoom, but not all of it. We want you to learn in a variety of ways that best suits your student. So you'll see opportunities and some suggestions on what to use to balance out that 390 minutes or 6.5 hours of learning each school day. Again, a balance of that will be on Zoom. Most of that will be with independent time supported from you as families. The orientations for families, we just want you to save the date. If you're in a kindergarten or first grade class, you will be on Tuesday, September 1st. If you're in a second or third grade class, on the 2nd, and a fourth through sixth grade will be at the 3rd. All of these will start at 6 p.m., go till about 6:45, and they'll be on your teacher's Zoom link that you'll use for most of your content. We have textbook pickup. There's a few additional supplies in addition to your device that you picked up previously that we want to provide for you. These will be done at the 5 large elementary buildings, and your teacher will give you a specific location and door number to use. So please follow up with them. But these are the times that we'd love your help in being able to get some additional supplies to you. You'll stay in your car. We'll give you everything you need. Textbooks are already checked out to you, and we need your help in making sure those are returned in really good quality conditions. We need to use those for several more years. So talk to your teacher for more information on that. We are so excited to start this school year together. Thank you so much for choosing the remote option. We're going to take very good care of each other. We're going to smile and shine. So have a great first day tomorrow. And if you need anything, reach out and let us know. Thanks.